Most people think oil is just a big underground lake, but that's a myth. Wrong. It's actually trapped inside solid rock, much like water is held inside a sponge. To get it out, we don't just dig. We use massive pressure and chemical wizardry. Welcome to part 1, the giant straw. This is where the engineering magic begins. We use a technique called directional drilling to reach these deep deposits. Instead of just going down, the drill bit can turn 90 degrees and travel horizontally for miles to hit the sweet spot. This allows us to stay within the oil-bearing rock for much longer distances. Next, we lower a perforating gun. This is the key to unlocking the rock. It fires specialized explosive charges that punch holes right through the steel casing and deep into the rock. Now we have a path, but the oil is still stuck. We need to squeeze it. That brings us to part 2, the deep squeeze, also known as hydraulic fracturing. We pump a special fluid down the well at incredibly high pressures. Massive pumps on the surface generate pressure that would crush a submarine. The fluid is forced into those tiny holes, putting immense stress on the rock. Under this pressure, the solid rock actually cracks, creating a network of tiny fissures. This network acts like a highway system for the trapped oil to escape. But if we stop pumping, the rock would just snap shut. So we add sand. The sand grains prop the cracks open, even after the pressure is released. Finally, part 3, the flow. This is where the chemical wizardry really pays off. We use chemicals called surfactants to reduce the surface tension of the oil. It's like adding soap to a greasy pan. The oil unsticks from the rock and begins to move. Gravity and pressure then drive the oil back toward our giant straw. Once the pressure is managed, the oil and gas are pushed all the way back to the surface. On the surface, we separate the oil from the water and gas and store it in tanks. Thanks to this precision engineering, we can recover oil that was once impossible to reach. It's a massive operation, happening miles beneath our feet with surgical precision. So remember, we don't just dig. We aim, we punch, we squeeze, and we flow. That is the engineering story of how we squeeze Earth, engineering at its finest. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next deep dive.